Hey folks, what a beautiful day it has been across the valley. Temperatures started chilly. We were in the 40s this morning, but managed to climb back into the upper 60s and low 70s this afternoon. This is where we are right now. Cooling off pretty quickly, but still comfortable. 62 at the beach, 60 in Harlingen, 65 McAllen, Rio Grande City still at 70 degrees. Overnight, upper 40s in the far west, but everybody else should bottom out in the 50s, and then the exception, South Padre at about 60 overnight. And then tomorrow, we're right back in the mid to upper 70s again across just about the entire area. If you look at the next 3 days, normal high is 74. We're going 77, 79, 87 on Monday. Tuesday looks at least that warm, but then late Tuesday into Wednesday, a front comes through and temperatures drop like a rock, and we stay chilly for the second half of next week. We've seen patchy clouds overhead today, but you saw that sunset view a little while ago. It's partly sunny at the moment, but look at overnight tonight. Clouds kind of thicken up a little bit, and by tomorrow it's probably just a mostly cloudy day across the region. There'll be some sun, but not a lot. Then tomorrow night into Sunday, could be a few sprinkles show up. You see a little bit of green on the map. Real light stuff, misty drizzle, probably nothing more than that, but there'll be some of that around into Sunday. As we go into Monday, there's Sunday evening, maybe a brief shower, but by Monday, I think the rain chances move back out once again. So it's a slight chance Saturday night into Sunday, just light stuff. And then from daytime Sunday night into Monday, I think we're dry, probably dry on Tuesday as well. It's Wednesday into Thursday when things begin to change again. Right now it's 56 in San Antonio, 65 in Laredo. Dallas checks in at 48, Lubbock's at 36 tonight. Not much going on in the state at the moment, but that'll probably change next week. But until then, we just warm up. Not a front to be found in Texas right now. All we have is a southeast wind bringing moisture back in. So again, temperatures warm up tomorrow, but those warmer temperatures come with clouds with that southeasterly flow. Southeasterly wind on Sunday as well. So more clouds and maybe a sprinkler or two around. There's a front in the state on Sunday. That won't get here. So we're still warm on Sunday. We're still warm on Monday, even warmer on Tuesday, but then things are beginning to change. Cold air moving into the state. That front likely getting here Tuesday night. And when it comes through, temperatures are going to drop pretty good. And I think Wednesday, Thursday, even Friday will be quite chilly across the area with clouds and maybe some light rain again for the second half of next week. So we do see a definite change in the weather beginning about Wednesday and staying with us for a couple of days. At least one of the cooler periods of the winter. At the coast, if you're headed to the beach this weekend, expect east to southeast winds about 10 to 15 knots. A low tide early in the morning, high tide a little later in the morning tomorrow at 10:34. Temperature in the water is 64 right now. So tonight, mostly cloudy and chilly, 52 for a low. Those clouds thickening up as the night goes on. And then tomorrow we bounce back to 77. Clouds thicken up. It's a mostly cloudy day, but a warmer afternoon than what today was. Southeast winds about 5 to 10. Here's a look at the next 3 days. And notice how temperatures go up, up, up. And then on Thursday, day 4, could be a late shower with the front, but 88 for a high. Then we see the drop off. Tuesday night into Wednesday, 64 and going down during the daytime. Wednesday, most of the day probably in the 50s. Thursday, most of the day in the low 50s. And then we try to rebound on Friday back to 63, but certainly some chilly weather for the middle to latter part of next week. But today was a beautiful day, and tonight is a great night for play ball. Joel Villanueva is in Edinburgh. Joel.